Hi everyone, I have a fantastic opportunity here on Nona Street in Salford. Show this fantastic 3-bedroom terrace property which is coming to the market chain free. As you can see, coming in the front of the property we have a lovely entrance hallway which leads through to 2 separate reception rooms. You can see this property here is being used as a reception room, living, diner. And then we have the second reception room, which is currently being used as a bedroom. So this could be the 4th bedroom if you wanted to utilise the property this way, or a second reception room, which is separate. You can see you've got a great space here. Again, we've got the sofa there and the dining table, which flows through into the kitchen. So the property has undergone a full renovation and also benefits from having a cellar, which I will show you in a second, which again could be used as a bedroom or could be used as another reception room. So that's the kitchen, mixture of wall and base units there, lots of storage, and then we have the enclosed rear yard to the back. And coming back through, and then we'll go down into the cellar. Again, has undergone a full renovation. Property is in great condition throughout. So a proper entrance here into the cellar. Got the stairs which is going down, and then we have a utility space here. And then again, could be used as a sleeping area or as a 3rd reception room. Got a great space here, and then we've got a window there which opens up. Going back up the stairs. So that was the ground floor of the property and the cellar. Then going up to the 1st floor. Starting at the front of the property, we have our main bedroom. So we've got 2 really generous sized double bedrooms. So again, starting at the front here, we've got a great size room here. You can see we've got a lot of space there. You could have storage as well as the bed. Nice spacious landing, and then the second reception room. Again, very good sized double bedroom here. Storage just in the far corner. And then double bed there. Again, the property is coming to the market chain free. We are on Nona Street, so this is an end terrace property. Great transport links nearby. Lots of local amenities as well. So we can see there that's our 3-piece suite. Property is all double glazed and gas central heated throughout. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please give our office a call on 061 707 4900.